Right, so today's topic is about cancelling training or just not turning up to training. Not here, but or skipping gym sessions. Right, it's really, really important that, especially at this time of year, that you keep your momentum going. Okay, whether that's in a gym or whether that's being coached in a group or being PT'd, whatever it might be, because at the end of the day, if you don't keep it consistent, right, then your fitness will deteriorate. 2, you're not creating as much as an energy expenditure, which then means you're more than likely going to have to then work on dropping your calories further. And especially when this is a more social time of year for most people, it can make it more challenging. So what happens is people's training goes like this, their food consumption goes like this. So consequently, the amount of calories that they're consuming is generally a lot more, which means they're in excess. So what ultimately happens? Guess. Their weight goes like this. So this is where you have to be a bit careful at this time of year. And I get it, it's getting cold and it puts people off going out and leaving home at night. And this is why it's really important to just get it done and out of the way. And that's why a lot of our clients train first thing in the morning to get it done and dusted. So it's less likely in the evening that you're going to go, oh, I'm too cold, I'm too tired. Actually, I'm not going to gym tonight, or cancelling a class or whatever you're doing. And it can put people in that way. And then what they're doing is this racks up over time, and before they know it, they've missed God knows how many sessions, and they just lose the momentum. Okay, and then they become stuck. Post Christmas, they're then going, oh, what the heck? I need to get back in the gym because they've gained 2 stone, whatever it is that they've overconsumed because all the extra alcohol, all the extra food, right? The lack of training, okay? And this is why the gym industry generally sees a bit of an incline in January, right? So what we want to do and what we do is we try and help give you some goals, some tactics to work around that around Christmas time, how to work around your eating, your extra social with the alcohol side of things. But not only that, we make sure we're keeping you on track. So if you're not turning up for sessions, then you're going to get a text message saying, hey, what's going on? Everything okay? Will a normal gym do that for you? Probably not, okay? But at the end of the day, this is why our sessions are short and sharp, so you can get in, get done and gone, right? It's less stress, okay? You don't have to think, oh, I'm going to spend an hour in the gym. It's 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and you're in and out and gone, right? And that's what you want ultimately. So just wanted to share that with you today, and, just remain consistent. Okay, don't let little small things get in the way. Okay, keep it consistent. Make sure you're doing 2 to 3 training sessions a week. Make sure you're staying on top of your food and not overindulging. Yes, you're probably going to crave more hearty, more filling foods. That's normal, but just keep it within your calorie tolerance. Okay. And the same with your alcohol. You need to build that into your calories, okay, for your daily consumption. Make sure you're still moving plenty, because it's getting cooler, people tend to stop going out and walking and they end up sitting on the sofa and having sofa days. I get it. We all get tired, me included, okay? But just bear it all in mind. What I do is I adjust my calories, okay? When I do less exercise, I adjust my calories and drop them down. But it's took me years to get into that phrase, because I would consequently do what everyone else is doing, right, and overeat. Okay, you're a work in progress. You're always learning, and something I've got very honed in on now is if my training drops down, my calories also drop too. All right, so just bear that in mind for today. It's a bit of food for thought for you. Okay. And if you need help with anything, just reach out. All right. See you soon.